Welcome to the 20th anniversary celebration, celebrating 20 years of excellence. Connecting researchers across the world. Celebrating 20 years of global collaboration. We are inspiring innovation and empowering knowledge.
20 years ago, a vision was born. A vision to connect scholars, researchers, educators, innovators, business leaders, and policymakers from across the world. A vision to create a platform where ideas transcend borders, knowledge inspires progress, and research shapes the future. Today, we proudly celebrate 20 years of excellence, innovation, collaboration, and global academic achievement. Welcome to the remarkable journey of the Center for Business and Economic Research, CBER. For 2 decades, CBER has advanced progress and prosperity in society through research and managerial excellence. CBER, where knowledge meets impact. Founded in London in 2006, CBER began with a simple yet powerful vision, to help the cause of progress and prosperity in society through research and managerial excellence. Over the past 2 decades, CBER has grown into an internationally respected academic institution, bringing together thousands of researchers, academics, professionals, policymakers, entrepreneurs, and students from around the globe. Growth statistics: 20 years. 112 conferences. 108 countries represented. 7,200 plus research papers. 11250 plus authors. 4 journal publications. At the heart of CBER's success lies its global academic conference network. Over the past 2 decades, CBER conferences have connected researchers from across continents, creating a truly global community of scholarship and innovation. From Europe to North America, from Asia to the Middle East, our conferences have welcomed participants representing diverse cultures, disciplines, and perspectives. Every conference has been more than an event. It has been a meeting place for innovation, a catalyst for new ideas, a platform for future thinking, a bridge connecting academia, industry, government, and society. Among our most prestigious gatherings stands a conference that has become a hallmark of academic distinction. Hosted annually at the University of Oxford, one of the world's most respected centers of learning, the International Conference on Restructuring of the Global Economy, ROGE, brings together leading academics, researchers, industry experts, and policymakers. Each year, Oxford becomes a global hub of intellectual exchange where groundbreaking research meets international perspectives. Throughout our journey, distinguished keynote speakers from leading universities, international organizations, governments, and industry have shared their expertise, inspired new thinking, and challenged us to explore new frontiers of knowledge. Their insights have enriched our conferences and strengthened CBER's commitment to academic excellence and global engagement. CBER proudly recognizes exceptional individuals whose contributions to academia, research, leadership, and society have created lasting impact. Through our honorary fellowship program, we celebrate distinguished scholars and leaders whose achievements embody the values of excellence, innovation, and service.
Governments, business institutions, and the media as well.
A country that is metamorphically changing its worldly outlook.
How do we create leaders for the future?
It is fitting that this conference is being held in a country that itself has been an emerging economy.
I'm at the end of the spectrum with Professor Avado and the rest of us are young faculty that we hope will take on the work.
So he, of course, after the First World War, he was widely ridiculed.
Bangladesh, I mentioned a little bit, Bangladesh was one of the pioneers.
Beyond conferences, CBER's contribution to academic advancement continues through its internationally recognized academic journals. The Journal of Business and Retail Management Research, the International Journal of Business and Economic Development, the International Journal of Higher Education Management, and the International Journal of Maritime Crime and Security. Together, these journals provide trusted platforms for researchers to share discoveries, advance scholarship, and contribute to global knowledge. through Research and Economic Intelligence Services, CBER. Provides insights that support organizations, policymakers, and leaders in navigating change and identifying future opportunities. Our consultancy and advisory services translate research into action, helping organizations improve performance, embrace innovation, and achieve sustainable growth. Developing leaders is central to our mission. Through Executive Education and Management Development Programs, CBER supports professionals in building the skills, knowledge, and strategic capabilities required for future success. As the world evolves, so does our mission. The future presents new opportunities and new challenges. From sustainability and digital transformation to artificial intelligence, innovation, and global development, CBER remains committed to fostering research excellence, supporting lifelong learning, strengthening international partnerships, and creating positive impact for communities around the world. The next chapter of our journey has already begun. CBER 2006 to 2026. 20 years of excellence. Advancing progress and prosperity through research and managerial excellence. Global conferences, international journals, research intelligence, the executive.
Apart from that, the kind of people who come here with whom we interact, the networking opportunities, anytime it's the favored platform for me, and I propagate this all over. Thank you so much.
Celebrating 20 years of excellence. Center for Business and Economic Research. Visit us at cbruk.com.